Action.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make use of this hydraulic system. In my previous video, I taught you how to build this, and today I'm going to apply it in one of my machines. Please, if you have been getting value from what I'll be teaching you or uploading on my YouTube channel, please smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that when I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. And please hit the subscribe button, like and comment so that more people will get to see my video. And let's get started. So this is my motor builder. I'm going to apply this to this. I have here a battery and a control system, and this is a changeover. You can see this connection. So all these I'm going to apply it now. Let me hit it.
Yang nana what game from? Continue one bottom.
I believe you guys are learned one or two things and you saw how this machine is being operated. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that you won't miss my video every week. And I'll be uploading another video demonstrating excavator. I believe you know excavator. I'll see you in the next video.